Yo, YouTube, I'm back with another banger, man. And y'all know from the title, sneezing on strangers prank. Y'all know we're gonna make this a hood classic. I don't care where he in the hood for these type of videos. And if I cuss, I gotta take a shot of sweet tea. This is not Hennessy. Please do not demonetize me. You know what I'm saying? We still on that. And let's get into this video, man. If y'all hear like a little dude in the back running around, don't mind him. I gave him some toys so he could leave me the freak alone, and he could just rock out, do whatever he do. Let's get into it, man.
Chill.
Bro, what the fuck wrong with you?
You alright, punk ass?
Hey, bro, this is off topic, but y'all know like how y'all be like, or y'all got like a younger nephew or stuff like that. Y'all almost caught me. And your mama just buy them the best snacks ever, bro. I'd had to take this dude, whatever this is. It's something, but it's good. It's a cereal bar, I think. I ain't had one of these since I was a kid.
Oh, my bad, man. Well, chill.
They swinging in this video. Hold on.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy D the Matt. And yo, peace.
Damn, bitch, you that sneeze on me, bro?
My bad, punk ass. You alright? Bro, chill out, bro. Chill out. What you gonna do, clown? Excuse me, man. Shit. My bad, man. I just sneezed.
No.
My bad.
It's a camera around you to
No,
sneeze.
no,
All
man.
that shit on my back.
My bad, man. I just sneezed. You alright, man? Come on, get it fine. Excuse me, man. It was a joke.
No, you must have some sprayers.
Yeah, look. Listen, water, it's a water.
Bro, but that shit came in on me like that.
No, I just. My bad, punk ass. You alright? My bad, bro. I sneeze.
Why he trying to play it cool though?
Yeah, my bad, bro. You alright, clown?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Yeah, you good. My bad, clown.
Boy, what kind of sneeze was that?
Bitch, you got me a B word?
Yes, did you fucking just sneeze on me? That shit not funny. Did you just sneeze on me?
It don't matter.
No, it don't matter.
I got the flu.
I don't get, you don't come to no store with no flu.
My bad, man.
No, what you don't sneeze on nobody, that's nasty.
You alright, clown?
What?
You alright, clown?
Is you alright?
Yeah.
Is you alright, bitch?
Hey, bro, it be his outfits that be crazy to be like, bro. We know you making money, gang. Not the pocket watch you or no nothing like that, but I guess it's the part. I guess it's the part of the occasion, man. I guess I'm taking it. I'm taking him as if he come. You know what I'm saying?
Shit. My bad, bro.
Bro, you did that on purpose.
No, I didn't, clown. You alright, punk ass?
That man put one to the feet.
Shit. She been swinging. Shit.
Yeah, why y'all still with me, bro?
Oh, shit.
Oh, cool as hell.
I did that because I've been seeing stuff
I said, oh, shit. Chill. Oh my God. Look, chill.
That boy said, "Oh my God, oh my God."
Chill. Look, bro. God damn. Shit.
That man said, "Oh my God, oh my God."
Shit. My bad, bro. I sneezed.
Bro, did he laugh instantly, bro?
What's wrong with you, man?
You alright, clown? You alright, clown? You
Oh, he
alright, punk
crazy
ass?
for real.
You alright, punk ass?
We did this in skit.
Yeah, man, yeah.
He crazy for real.
Damn, man. Damn, why you leave? I tried to prank you. Fuck. Basically, like, I was gonna sneeze on you, but dang, you walked away quick. Fuck. Damn. Hey, get that black dude right here. Get that black dude. Go straight. Yeah, here, get him. Shit, bro. My bad, bro. My bad, bro. You alright?
That's how you roll?
You alright, punk ass?
Huh?
You alright, punk ass?
What you talking
Bro, videos like this be
You alright,
like so
punk ass?
interesting to me, bro.
My nigga, you sneeze
My bad, bro.
Find out what that shit all about,
My bad, clown.
What?
My bad, clown. You alright? Shit, I just sneeze, bro.
What?
I just sneeze, bro.
I can't do that shit again. You don't see.
Say no business. Say no more.
Excuse me, girl. Shit. My bad, bro. I should know. My bad, bro.
I'm going through the same.
My bad, shit, bro. Did it hurt, bro?
Huh?
Did that touch your
Cash,
dick?
no. Hold on. No. Get your ass on. Go. Move, man. Go the other way. You tripping, bro.
That hit your neck, clown? Nah, these. Okay.
Auntie.
Shit. Oh, my bad, man. Oh, shit. My bad. Oh, shit. No, I didn't. It was an accident, man.
Don't spit, fuck that shit. Don't
It was
spit
an
on
accident,
your
man.
kid. Don't let this shirt fool you, boo.
It was an accident, man.
I'ma accident your ass.
Man, I
Oh.
just saw you hit me. That's an accident.
Stand on
You know
business.
that, right? That's a saw you hit me.
You spit on me. You could have.
No, I didn't.
I don't know what the fuck you got.
But it's an accident, though. You hit me, man. You gonna hit me, man?
That way. You came this way. Fuck you.
You hit me like that. I'm gonna call the police on your ass, man. Hell yeah, I'm calling long than that, ass, bro. See my nose, bro.
Wait. All right. Granted, it's a prank, right? She is absolutely in the wrong. Yes, it's a prank. Yes, he in the wrong too. It's a prank. He gon' get his ass wham a couple times. You know what I'm saying? But she ain't had to do all that. He didn't spit on you, ma'am. He sneezed on you. It's a difference. A spit is a like what y'all doing at a butt. You know what I'm saying? And your girlfriend that's a spit. He sneezed. Come on, lock in.
Black girl hit my
Auntie
nose.
got his
This
ass
shit,
fucked
bro.
up.
What the fuck?
Ah! I was doing good. Cuz got his ass fucked up. Ah! I did it again. That's double. Lock in. Drink it shot like water. Cause it is sweet tea at the end of the day. Woo!
Shit. My bad. I'm sorry.
They really didn't care.
My bad, sir. You alright? You alright, clown?
Yeah, good.
Okay. I'm sorry. You sure, punk ass?
I'm sorry?
You sure, punk ass? You alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, I thought that was a girl.
Shit.
He said, nigga, you sneezing on me? What you doing?
Chill.
What you doing? What you sneezing on me?
You sneezing on me?
Bro, you ain't sound like you about to cry, bro.
Bro, what's going on, bro? You sneezing on me? What's up?
What's going on, bro? You sneezing on me, bro? What's up? He was for the cry.
What's going on?
Alright, bro. It's a joke.
No, you're man.
My bad, clown. You alright, clown?
You just sneezed on me, dog?
You alright, punk ass?
Punk ass.
Yes, punky. You alright,
Who the
bro?
fuck you talking to?
You, bro.
Me.
Yes, bro.
Boy, you don't even know me, boy.
Bro, what you gonna do, bro? What you gonna do, bro?
Fuck you just sneezed on me.
She
do,
a
bro?
W. She a W.
But
That's his
I got the flu,
girlfriend.
bro.
What you
That's his girlfriend,
Chill,
whatever.
man, about
She
this
W.
sneeze and shit, bro.
She a W, bro.
Bro, it's,
I don't
bro,
care about none of
Bro.
that sneeze and shit, bro.
bro, it's a joke, punk
I
ass.
don't give a fuck, nigga. It's too much shit going on. You sneezing on me, fam. What's wrong with you?
Bro, let him
Oh,
go.
fuck that shit, bro. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. Nigga,
Stand no business.
Bro, you mad cause
Just going on about your business, dog.
but you not a flu, bro?
Just going on about.
Bro,
I
get
give
your.
a damn about the damn flu, nigga. Don't sneeze on me, bro.
What you gonna do, clown?
You need to go on.
What you wanna do?
Go on.
What you wanna do?
Go on.
She know her boyfriend crazy for real.
Bro, what's it? Bro, it's a joke, bro. Excuse me, bro. Shit, bro.
Why the fuck you do that, man?
My bad, bro. You alright, bro? You alright, clown?
Bro, it's just like certain
Shit,
people.
bro.
Like, come on.
I had to sneeze, bro. My bad, bro. You said what, punk ass? Bro, I'm serious, bro. I sneezed. My fault, bro. All right, bro.
Oh, cool.
Excuse me, sir. It was a joke. It was just it was just water.
I know it was because of something you kept saying, man. I know it was. I'm like, all right, he courting because he set me up. I'm like, all right, just go, man. Bro, what the fuck your problem is?
My bad, clown. You all right?
Dog, you just sneeze on my neck?
Hell yeah, bro.
Bro, you late as hell.
You all right, punk ass?
You say what?
I said, you all right, punk ass?
You say what?
I said, you all right, punk
You
ass?
say what?
You all right, punk
You
ass?
say what?
Bro, chill.
You just
Chill.
sneeze on my neck.
Bro, it don't matter, bro. Bro, chill, bro. Chill. Look, chill, bro, chill. God damn. You too damn buff for that shit,
I
man.
was gonna say that man strong as hell and he want to swing on folks. Come on, gang. You walk around in a tank top for a reason, bro. It's not no reason you just walk around in a tank top. Nigga, you just went to the gym and you went home and took a shower and you put your little tank top on. I do the same thing. It's alright.
Frankie, fuck, bro. Why you move? Damn. I'm trying to get you. Damn. Nah, I try to sneeze on you like, chew, but you move. Fuck. Excuse me, bro.
Oh, no, you good, bro.
Oh, my bad. I'm trying to get past you. My bad, man. Shit. Shit, bro.
Oh, no, you good.
Damn, why you keep moving, bro?
What's up,
I
bro?
try to prank your ass, man.
Nah,
You keep moving, man.
I felt this shit.
Shit.
Bro, what the fuck you got going on, fam?
You alright, punk ass?
Damn, my nigga, you just gonna spill my
Well, chill.
No, take the thing off. Take the thing off. No. I don't want to see no recommended videos.
Chill.
I don't want to see no recommended videos. Bro, you can't take this off, bro. That's lame as ever, bro. That's lame as ever, bro. You can't. Oh, he got here with the little 1-2.
Shit.
Bro, what the fuck you got going on, fam?
You alright, punk ass?
Damn, my nigga, you just gonna spill my
Chill.
Oh! Nah, that's crazy. Hey, but look, that was a W video. I ain't gonna lie, I like that video. Cash, come on, gang, lock in. That was a W video. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, or subscribe if you're new. We on the road to we gonna say 1.1K. We gonna keep what we came up with. We're gonna keep that same strategy going into it. You know what I'm saying? So we on the road to 1.1K. You know what I'm saying? So like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? When I get monetized, I'm gonna have some very, 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 very great videos for y'all. I'm just telling y'all now. Cause I'm locked in. But when I start making money from it, I'm not here for the money though. I'm here because I enjoy this. You know what I'm saying? But when I start making money from it, oh, it's gonna be a movie, gang. I ain't gonna lie, and I'm in there right there, and I'm out. You did.